Howdy, howdy, folks. It's Donnie here making one of my rare on-camera appearances, and I got a deal for you. The good folks at Packt Publishing Company are currently running their year-end $5 sale on ebooks and video courses. That includes my book, Mastering Linux Security and Hardening. Okay, so you're saying, why do I want to buy that book? Well, everybody needs to learn about security, right? But especially if you're a security professional, or rather, if you're a Linux professional. If you're a Linux professional, you're looking for a pay raise or possible promotion, then you really want to learn about security. And this book will help you do that. Now, this book is more than just theory. For one thing, it's entertaining to read because, hey, that's just the way I write. I don't like boring books. You shouldn't either. And also, it's got practical, good, hands-on, step-by-step recipes that you can implement on your systems. And, I mean, you don't have to spend a lot of time learning stuff. It's all right there for you, hands-on, step-by-step. So, if you're a security professional, if you're a Linux professional, hey, definitely, you want to copy my book, okay? Especially right now, when you get the ebook version for only $5, or its companion video course for $5. You can't beat that with a stick, folks. And listen, while the $5 sale's going on, hey, you might as well stock up, right? That's what I do at the year end. I stock up on the books I want. So, But anyway, the sale is on for a limited time. I'm not sure exactly when the sale will end. Usually they end it probably right around the first or second week of January. So you've got a couple weeks, but still, don't delay, because you really want that book, all right? You really, really want it. So anyway, purchase links are in the video description below. So go ahead, click on that link and buy yourself a copy. I mean, look, $5. That's less than a lunch at a burger joint, okay? So come on, you gotta buy it, folks. You gotta buy it, all right? But no, seriously, it's a good book. It's been getting some really, really good reviews. So, hey, click that link and buy it now. Yeah.